How to mute Snapchat story without blocking. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without an easy way. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then click on the chat icon at the bottom. You'll find all your chats pop up. Simply hold on to the person you want to mute. Then press on Story Settings in here. After you click on Story Settings, you'll find two options. Simply click on Mute Story. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, their story will be muted. You can simply repeat this process with everyone you want to mute story of. And this is how to mute story on Snapchat without blocking. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.